firework and sunglasses. Thanks for being inappropriate. You are now ungrounded. You can do whatever you want now. Yes, we're going to tell Christmas Ball about this. Yes, we finally ungrounded firework and sunglasses. There they are. Notepad, Kenny, Flask, and Flower ungrounded us. No, you two are still grounded for being inappropriate. That means no anything that is inappropriate. Go to your rooms now. And Notepad, Kenny, Flatter, and Flask. How dare you ungrounded firework and sunglasses? You know they are inappropriate. That's it. I'm calling the Brawl of the Object characters. Kenny, Notepad, Flask, and Flatter. How dare you ungrounded firework and sunglasses? You know they are inappropriate and they're racist. That's it. You are grounded until your show is not inappropriate. Go to your rooms right now.